Window shades are another popular choice for East York, Ontario homeowners. These versatile window treatments can provide privacy, light control, and a touch of elegance to any room. Custom window shades for your specific needs. Custom window shades allow you to tailor the size, material, and operation to your exact specifications. From classic roller shades to sleek Roman shades, there's a wide variety of options to choose from. Finding the right window shades for your East York, Ontario home. When selecting custom window shades for your East York, Ontario home, think about the room's purpose and the level of light control you need. Blackout shades are ideal for bedrooms, while sheer or translucent shades can create a soft, diffused light in living rooms and dining areas. Consider the overall style of your home and choose shades that will complement your existing decor. Please share, like and subscribe.